Hi everyone. So our channel has reached 50,000 subscribers, which is not a big number for YouTube, but for me it is a milestone and it makes me very, very happy to reach this milestone because it's been some time on YouTube. I think I posted my first video in 2017, so it's been more than 3 years, almost 4 years here. And it has been a very interesting experience, a learning experience for me, as well as a very fulfilling experience because of the positive responses that all of you have given to me. And therefore, I wanted to thank all of you who have been part of this journey till now. I have a lot of interesting things coming up, but because of this particular milestone, I want to do a simple, small giveaway. I'm giving out the complete set of the Feynman Lecture series. So the Feynman Lectures, I think you may already know, are legendary books that every aspiring physicist should read once. And they contain a set of 3 books, the Feynman Lecture Volume 1, 2 and 3. So I'll be giving away the complete set of Feynman Lectures to 5 students. And if you are interested in these books, all you need to do is just go to my channel, select any one video that you like and share it in any social media platform. Like you can make a Facebook post or a WhatsApp story, take a screenshot of that and mail it to me at dj09das@gmail.com. You can add a little bit of info about yourself in that mail, and the subject of the mail should be for the love of physics. And out of all the responses I receive, I will select 5 students randomly and I will mail them the complete set of the Feynman Lectures, which consists of 3 paperback books. But because of the restrictions in the current scenario, the giveaway will be limited to locations within India only. So this is my sort of a thank you to all of you for this small milestone. I want to end this video with a few lines from Robert Frost. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. Thank you.